Hi students. In the last class we have discussed truth values of a quantified statements. Okay. Let me see some examples on the truth values. Example, taking set of 1, 2, 3, 4 as the replacement set, determine the truth value of the following. First example, for every x plus 3 less than 6. Okay. Here replacement set is set of 1, 2, 3. Here we have to find the truth value of this. Let p of x such that x plus 3 less than 6. X plus 3 less than 6. If 3 goes to RHS, it becomes 6 minus 3. X less than 6 minus 3. That is x less than 3. But it is not true for all x is less than 3 because in the replacement set we have 4. 4 is not less than 3. Therefore, it is not true for every x as x belongs to the replacement set 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore, this is false. Second example. For every x square minus 10 less than or equals 8. Take p of x such that x square minus 10 less than or equals 8. That is x square minus 10 less than or equals 8. If minus 10 goes to RHS, it becomes plus. X square less than or equals 10 plus 8. 10 plus 8 is 18. X less than or equals to equals square root of 18. Okay. It is true for all x belongs to 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Square root of 18 means 4 point something. Root 16 is 4. Okay. Therefore, it is true for all x belongs to set of 1, 2, 3, 4. Hence, it is true. Third one, there exists x plus 3 less than 6. P of x such that x plus 3 less than 6, x less than 6 minus 3, x less than 3. Is it true or false? This is true because this is a statement of there exists x. If there exists at least one number less than 3, then this is true. Okay. Because there exists some x belongs to 1, 2, 3, 4 such that x less than 3. Okay. Next, there exists x 2x square plus x equals 15. P of x such that 2x square plus x equals 15. This can be written as 2x square plus x minus 15 equals 0. We should solve this quadratic equation. 2 into 15, 30. Here we want 1. 6 into 5 is 30. 6 minus 5 is 1. Okay. 2x square plus 6x minus 5x minus 15 equals 0. That is, in the first two terms, 2x is common. We have x plus 3. 2x into x, 2x square. 2x into 3, 6x. In these two terms, minus 5 is common. X plus 3 equals 0. That is, 2x minus 5 into x plus 3 equals 0. 2x minus 5 equals 0 or x plus 3 equals 0. 2x equals 5. X equals 5 by 2 or x equals minus 3. But there does not exist these elements in the set of 1, 2, 3, 4. In this set we have 1, 2, 3, 4 but there is no 5 by 2. There is no minus 3. Therefore, there does not exist x belongs to the set of 1, 2, 3, 4 such that 2x square plus x equals 15. Therefore, this is a false. Next, mention which quantified, universal or existential or involving in the following proposition. Here the propositions are given. Here we should mention which quantified statement is there in the sentence. Okay. First example, some numbers are greater than their squares. Here some is the quantified. This is universal or existential? This is existential. Some is a existential quantifier. Second, all the sides of an equilateral triangle are equal. Here, all the sides. This is universal quantifier. Third one, a monotonic decreasing sequence bounded below is convergent. A monotonic decreasing sequence which is bounded below is convergent. This is universal. This is the universal truth. A. D. Some functions which are continuous are not differentiable. Here sum is the quantifier, that is existential quantifier. A cyclic group is abelian is universal quantifier. 3 plus 2 equals 5. It has no quantifier. 3 plus 2 equals 5 it has no quantifier. Next, negation of a quantified statement. Rules to write the negation of a quantified statement. Okay, this is very important. First rule, to write the negation of a quantified statement involving the universal quantifier. Replace universal quantifier by the existential quantifier and the open sentence by its negation. See here, this is for every x p of x. P of x is open sentence. For all x is universal quantifier. What is the negation of universal quantifier? This is equal to for every x. Replace this for every x universal quantifier by the existential quantifier. There exists x. Next, replace this open sentence by negation of p of x. This is the rule. First rule. Negation of for every x is there exists x into negation of p of x. Okay. Rule 2. Negation of quantified statement involving existential quantifier. Replace the existential quantifier by the universal quantifier and open sentence by its negation. See here, if the quantified statement has existential quantifier, there exists x is existential quantifier, then negation of this quantifier is universal quantifier. There exists x becomes for every x into negation of a open sentence, negation of p of x. Negation of for every x is there exists x, negation of into negation of p of x. Negation of there exists x p of x is for every x into negation of p of x. Okay. Example, symbolize and negate the following. First one, all teachers teach well and some students pass. First we should symbolize this. Let p of x, teachers teach well. We take this, teachers teach well. Q of x, students pass. The given sentence in symbol is all. Andre for every x, teachers teach well. All for every x, teachers teach well. We have taken p of x. P of x. And this is and symbol. Some is existential quantifier. There exists x. Students pass. That is q of x. Okay. What is the negation of this statement? Negation of for every x p of x and there exists x q of x. What is the negation of this statement? We know that negation of p and q is negation p or negation q. See here this is p, this is q. Negation of this for every x p of x and becomes or negation of this one, there exists x q of x. Okay, we know that negation of for every x is there exists x into negation of p of x. Okay, or same as it is, negation of there exists x is for every x into negation of q of x. Okay, in words this is there exists x becomes some p of x, teachers, negation, teachers do not teach well, negation of p of x. P of x is teachers teach well, negation is teachers do not teach well, some teachers do not teach well. Or symbol for every x means all, negation of q of x, students do not pass, all students do not pass. Next example, some students are lazy or all students are hardworking. First take p of x. students are lazy. This is P of x. Students are hard working. This is Q of x. This is in symbol. Sum. There exists x. P of x. R. This is R. All means for every x students are hard working is Q of x. Okay. What is the negation of this statement? Negation of there exists x P of x or for every x Q of x. We know that negation of P or Q is negation P and negation Q. This is P or Q. Negation P. Negation of there exists x P of x or becomes and negation of for every x Q of x. Negation of there exists x is for every x into negation of P of x and negation of for every x is there exists x negation into negation of Q of x. This is all P of x. Negation of P of all students are not lazy. All students are not lazy and there exists x means some Q of x. Negation of Q of x. Some students are not hard working. Some students are not hard working. Next example, if some straight lines are parallel, then all straight lines do not intersect. First take P of x. Straight lines are parallel, P of x. Q of x, straight lines intersect. Okay, the given open sentence is some. Some straight lines are parallel. There exists x P of x, then implies. Okay, then means implies all for every x straight lines do not intersect. Q of x is straight lines intersect. Here do not. Negation Q of x. What is the negation of this? Negation of P implies Q is P and negation Q. Here this is P. This is Q. Negation of P implies Q is P. This is P. There exists x P of x and negation of Q. Negation of for every x negation Q of x. There exists x P of x and negation of this one. Negation of for every x is there exists x into negation of negation Q of x is Q of x. There exists x. Some straight lines are parallel and some straight lines intersect. Some straight lines are parallel and some straight lines intersect.